Hey guys, in a previous video I showed you this jig that I used to cut a thin strip off this board. Now thanks to Dax for pointing out that I totally forgot to add a lip here. You know, you need some kind of a thing. Put it here so it holds the board as I'm pushing it, preventing the kickback that happened last time, making this thing fly across the room. Well, I was gonna do it and make a video about it, but I am not going to. Let me show you why. All right, let's bring up the blade. Bring it up a bunch. All right, so here's my jig, right? Let's pretend I have this thing on here helping me push the board, right? All right, so I would set the table to 3.5, which is the width of the jig, plus 1/8. There. This way, when I'm pushing the board, the skinny piece will go here, and the board will go here, and everything is getting pushed by this, right? You see what I'm doing here, right? Now, check this out. When I get past the cut, I'm past the cut. The blade cuts into this, that's okay, this is sacrificial, no problem there. The problem happens here. You see the blade is rotating this way. It's making that sound because I'm pushing it slightly. So the blade is rotating this way. The back of the blade is gonna pick up that piece and throw it up, but the piece is being held by this. So it's gonna wobble in there and fly in a random direction. Fuck no, I'm not doing this. Bad idea. Bad jig. Bad jig. Trash. I'm off to a different project. And for the future thin rips, I'm just gonna do this. That. What's wrong with that? It's perfect. This is called thin rip jig anyway. All right, peace guys. See you in the next one.